If you use ElevenLabs to create voiceovers, audiobooks, or AI narration, knowing how to save your audio properly is essential. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save ElevenLabs TTS audio to your device as an MP3 or WAV file, step by step, so you can download the exact format you need without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the ElevenLabs text-to-speech workspace. Once you're there, enter the text you want. ElevenLabs to read, then choose your voice and adjust any voice settings you want, such as stability, style, or similarity. When everything looks good, click Generate. After the audio is created, you'll see a media player bar appear at the bottom of the screen. This is where your generated audio is ready to preview and download. To save it as an MP3, look to the right side of that player bar and click the download icon, which is the downward arrow. As soon as you click it, the file will automatically download to your device as a 120 MB MP3 file. That's the quickest way to get a standard audio file you can use right away for editing, uploading, or sharing. If you want a WAV file instead, the process is just a little different. On the right side of the screen, click the History tab. This will show you a list of your previously generated audio clips. Find the exact clip you want to download, then click the download icon next to that specific file entry. A pop-up will appear with format options, and from there you can select WAV or choose the format that best fits your project. WAV is a great option if you want higher quality audio for editing or production work. So, to quickly recap, use the player bar download icon for MP3 and use the History tab if you want the WAV or another format from a previous generation. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can save you a lot of time when managing your ElevenLabs exports. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.